Hi, my name is Paul Harb, and today I'm going to show you how to integrate Nutanix and ServiceNOW CMDB and Auto Discovery in 5 easy steps. The first step is to install the CMDB CI class modules in ServiceNOW. The second step is to install Discovery and Service Mapping Patterns module in ServiceNOW. The third step is to configure basic authentication credentials. The fourth step is to set up HTTP classifications on port 9440, and the fifth and final step is to create a discovery schedule and run it. For step 1, to install the CMDB CI class modules, I'm going to search in ServiceNOW on system applications if I'm running London, or plugins if I'm running Madrid. Then I'm going to search the applications on CMDB CI class module and select install. ServiceNOW will automatically download the 11 files for this application and install it. For step 2, I'm going to search on Discovery and Service Mappings and find this application and click install. You'll see there are 65 files that are downloaded and installed here. You'll need a mid server for this implementation. If you haven't set one up, you'll need to do so before continuing. I can see my mid server is already installed. For my third step, I'm going to navigate to Credentials. Under Discovery, I'm going to create a new credential with the type Basic Auth Credentials. And here, I'm going to add a Nutanix credential with the username and password that I used to log into Prism. For step 4, I'm going to set up HTTP classifications by searching on HTTP, create a new classification, giving it a name, giving it a path of just /, and then I'll search for the port, and I'm going to look for port 9440, and I'm going to select that and submit it. By going back to the main screen, I can see that my HTTP classification was created. Now all I have to do is create a discovery schedule. If I navigate to discovery schedules, I can click new, and I can give it a name. I can specify serverless, and I can choose the mid server that I'm going to use. I click on the tab Serverless Execution Pattern below, and I type in a name, and I select a pattern that is called Nutanix Components, and I submit that. After I've added the serverless execution pattern, I have to go back into it and add the value of the Prism Central IP address. And then I click Update. If I click back to the main screen, I'm ready to run Discovery. I can click Discover Now, and Discovery will run. I can navigate to the status of the last discovery that I ran. If I click on it, I can see that Discovery completed successfully. And if I navigate to the Devices tab, I can see the 3 Nutanix hosts that were discovered, just as I expect. ServiceNOW has created a really great default dashboard to view all my Nutanix configuration items in one place. If I search on Performance and then click Dashboards, I can find the one for Nutanix. I can see all the clusters, all the hosts, all the VMs, all the categories that have been auto-discovered by ServiceNOW. Thank you for listening to Nutanix integration with ServiceNOW CMDB and Auto Discovery. My name is Paul Harb. Have a great day.